What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Redmi cell phone that won't send MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all check your network connection if it's working properly or not. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means you have a poor network connection. So first of all fix your network connection, and after fixing the network the MMS messages will start sending. But after fixing the network, if you are still facing issue while sending the MMS messages, then make sure to turn on mobile data. So without turning on mobile data you will not be able to send the MMS messages. Now after turning on mobile data, if you are still facing the same issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches like MMS messages not sending issue. Now after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, tap on more connectivity options, and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Now here tap on reset settings and then enter your lock screen, pin, password or pattern to confirm. So when you will enter the correct password, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the MMS messages issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Redmi cell phone that won't send MMS messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.